Hey, what's up, guys? It is a beautiful day. Look, see, sunny. Yeah, had a lot of rain here recently, which is good because we had a drought. But you're not here for a weather report. You're here to see what stupid-ass test I've come up with now. Well, you're not going to be disappointed. Ever since the first test I did with my 360 camera on my Street Glide over here, I wanted this front view. Can you see that? That's my 360 camera off the front of the bike. But here's the kicker. I got a different way of setting it up. So let's take a look at that. First off, we've got the Velcro strap. If you saw that video, I'll leave a card up top somewhere for that. This strap is awesome. Note to self, do not attach here or here. And make sure that you can turn the front wheel both directions lock to lock without hitting anything. I almost attached it to the fork and was going to just snap the selfie stick the first time I took a turn. I told you I'm an idiot. Anyway, if you're new here, I'm John, you're watching Road Reality, and the quick little 20-second synopsis of this channel is: man buys motorcycle, man buys gear, man tests gear, man makes a fool of himself. That's it, roll the intro. Did we really need an intro? Anyway, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go for a quick jaunt with the 360 cam hung way out in front. Unlike my most recent testing where I was able to actually adjust the length of the selfie stick while I rode, yeah, that's not going to be possible in motion on this one. Things could get interesting. Stay tuned. All I need now is my... Hey, what are you doing in my tour pack? Get the hell out of my tour pack. You're in there again. I need my gloves. You're sitting on them. I don't know how you fit in a tour pack anyway. Thank you very much. Now let's get on the road. I'll spare you the rest of the gearing up stuff. As much fun as those bits are to film and edit, we'll skip it today. All right, I do not know if it normally bounces around this much, but it is sketchy AF out there, as the kids would say. So what we do is we shorten each section by about 1 inch. So it's at full height now, it's pretty wobbly. Watch it. Oh yeah, that's a lot more stable. I don't know if the position is gonna be as good, but we're gonna give it a shot. Give it the old college try. Didn't even make it past the 7-Eleven. You doing all right over there? Good. You know, it really grinds my frickin' gears. Oh, they got a ticket. I saw the flash. Anyway, it really grinds my gears when people have so many other things to do instead of paying attention to what the hell they're doing behind the wheel. Granted, I'm not exactly in a glass house over here because what do I have? 3 cameras rolling and I'm riding a bike and, you know, I've got my other distractions, but my #1 focus is still riding the damn bike. And I was asked recently on one of the forums if the cameras were a distraction while I ride. And I said no at the time, and then I got a 360 camera and really started doing some crazy tests with it. And well, I already had the 360 camera, but I started doing some crazy tests, and it is a little bit of a distraction, sure, but it's not as big a distraction as a cell phone or playing with the radio. I mean, every once in a while I get a snafu where I gotta go make sure the camera doesn't grind itself into the asphalt. But generally, no, they're not a distraction. And I would be talking to myself even if I weren't talking to you. Speaking of you, because that's what the old YouTube is all about, we have a lot of new faces around here. That's why I did the lengthy introduction earlier in this video, because thanks to a few well-placed shout-outs from my fellow motovloggers, which is a great community, okay? It really, really is. I've seen a significant influx in new people, and I hope you're enjoying the content. But I thought it would be a good idea to kind of spell out what I do and what I'm about. Not that you wouldn't figure out that I'm an idiot after 2 or 3 videos anyway, but I do have my shining moments. It turns out that I am getting decently good at recording tutorials for things. So I'm taking requests. If you need a tutorial on something I know how to do, I'm happy to do it. Unless somebody has already done it much better than me, in which case I will link you to their video rather than force you to sit through me trying to fumble futz my way through it. One more tangential thought. I go out on a ride. Sometimes I have no idea what I'm going to talk about, but sometimes I have a focus, a purpose. And today I had a test I wanted to do, and so far I have not even talked about the test other than to set it up because the other people get in the way. And I think that's one of the things that makes motovlogging so interesting to watch and to follow certain people, because they get into these crazy shenanigans. Like your old buddy John here gets into some crazy shenanigans. Biker, what's up? And you just gotta chuckle along with the rider, right? Like they're talking about something intelligent, unless you're watching me, in which case it's not intelligent. But they're usually talking about something intelligent, and then all of a sudden, boom, car pulls out of nowhere, or something fires off the synapses in their medulla oblongata. I don't even know if that's the right word, but in their gray matter, and they end up waxing poetic or diving into a tangential topic, and it just makes it that much more interesting. Oh, it's so hard to shift and throttle with the car in the wrong hand. All right, go. That poor Dodge Ram driver back there, he's probably pissed. But anyway, that was pretty fun. I enjoyed that. Did you enjoy that? Anyway, so this test seems to be working, and I think I could do like a best of video, like a whole 10-minute video on my best shots coming down this road. I've been down this road so many times on camera. If somebody wants to count, let me know, that'd be great. Good gracious. Hello. It's like they don't even look around here. But that's why head always on a swivel. Your old buddy John, he's dumb, but he pays attention to some things, especially when on a bike. According to my wife, I have people at home that need me, mostly bill collectors. But this is fun. I really do enjoy coming out and doing all these tests for you. And I've gotten a lot of feedback recently, and everybody seems to be in agreement. Now, this is rare for me, but it is unanimous. Road Reality's 360-degree camera shots have now been voted the best 360 shots on a street glide in Montgomery County, Maryland. It seems like a small thing, but there's got to be 2 or 3 of us out here. I mean, in a field of 5, to make the podium is really good. So in a field of 3, it's even better, right? Told you I was bad at math. Seriously though, go check out my back catalog of tests and stuff, and you might just get a chuckle. Some pass, some fail, but this is a great distraction from life. Will it fail? Will it pass? Will I break something? And I'm getting my exercise because I don't walk real good, so I'm at least outside. Ooh, that was pretty. Is that an MG? I get distracted easily too. Like that. There was a Raptor over there dressed up for work stuff. Interesting fact about those trucks. If a truck has a certain GVW, and I think it's 8,000 pounds, then it actually can be purchased under like the agricultural and commercial purchase tax-free policy or something, and it becomes like a tax write-off. Big thing for a business. That's why a lot of businesses used to buy excursions and heavy-duty trucks. It's a tax write-off. Little factoid of the day. But I really am just enjoying the hell out of figuring out different crazy ways to mount this thing to my bikes. I should find a way to mount it to my wife's Sportster, and then again on the bobber, but I've pretty much removed all the ways you'd mount it on a bobber. Oh well, I'll come up with something, guaranteed. Well, that's about going to wrap up this test video. I hope you enjoyed it, watching your old buddy John make a fool of himself. But I really do enjoy this stuff, and if you liked it, leave it a like. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You know you want to. All the cool kids are doing it these days. And until I see you again in the next video, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep the shiny side up. Ta-da! And of course I'm giving you a bonus test. While I was seated here, I managed to reach down and adjust the selfie stick length. You can see it there maybe. It's a couple feet long now. It's a little bit closer to the bike. What do you think? Let's see it in action. That'll be the true outro for this video. Bye. I'm on Avery Road. I've been riding for like an hour and 10 minutes, and the camera is still there, I think. I don't know if it's still recording. It may have run out of battery juice, but the physical camera, yep, still there. I checked. Aha! Enjoy the rest of your day.